Hey, this is RajivKumarLuv, the online life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. In my goal setting session, whenever I ask participants, what is your goal? The answer I mostly get from them is, sir, my goal is to get a job. In this video, I want to persuade you to get out of the job mindset and explore various other possibilities. You are living in a time where there are plenty of opportunities all around us. Job is not the only option available to you. There are unlimited possibilities. All you need to do is find out what you love doing and then spend the whole day working on it and becoming excellent at that. And then you offer your services and get paid for it. Let me give you the example of my son RajivKumarLuv. Abhishek, when he finished his graduation of BCA, Bachelor in Communication Applications, his mother was constantly after him to go and get a job. And he said, I don't want to do a job. And the mother was really angry. What do you mean you don't want to do a job? Everybody goes and does some job. Are you going to sit home? He said, yes, I'm going to sit home. And she said, sit home and do what? He said, I'm going to study and I am going to do my own business. And then he told me, Papa, I don't want to, do a job. I'm going to work on something, give me some time and I will do something useful. Alright, so we gave him the time and he used to attend some webinars online, he used to attend some courses, he would spend some money on buying some courses, and then later on he developed some courses of his own. And people started buying his courses also. I was really very happy to, note that he would earn money or money would come into his bank account, even when he was sleeping. Now that is something really great, which I never did in my life. I am really proud of my son to achieve this unique thing, And now he is become an online coach and he is teaching students from all over the world. He has students from Australia and New Zealand and Sweden and UK and Australia, Dubai and so many other places all over the world, and people love, learning from him, and he's making some good money and he's making us proud as well. So the point I want to make is, don't get stuck with a job. And now I asked my wife, do you want him to go and get a job now? She said, oh no, this is very good. He has found the right thing and he's his own boss and I'm happy for him. I want to give you another example, and that is, I came across a young girl who was in her 20s and she was earning about 2 to 3 lakhs per month. And you know what she was doing? She was doing the nail art. She was doing the nail art and she had celebrities coming to her, actors and actresses coming to her, and she was having fun and earning good money as well. So the point I want to make is, get out of the job mindset and explore some new avenues. Become your own boss. Don't think about just getting a job. Think how you can create jobs for others. So I hope you found this video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. So thanks for watching this video. See you again in my next video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling, and take care. Bye-bye.